Hello everyone, my name is Yunirambo Mutu and ID number 18130108. Okay, I will present my proposal on improving the quality of education in school. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Method. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. Statement of the Problem. Research Objective. Significance of the Study. And Research Limitation. Chapter 2, Introduction, Definition, and Theories. Chapter 3, Introduction, Research Design, Research Population, Research Sample, Research Instrument, Data Collection Procedure, and Data Analysis Procedure. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. Education is an effort to improve the quality of humans' life by humanizing humans. Quality education is education that is beneficial to all society, is seen from the needs of the community itself. Education is one of the efforts to build and improve the quality of human resources towards the era of globalization, which is full of challenges. Statement of the problem. The availability of educators and education personnel who have not adequate both in quality and quantity, as well as in welfare. Infrastructure and learning facilities that are not yet available and have not been utilized optimally. Inadequate education funding to support the quality of learning, and the learning process is not yet efficient and effective. Research objective. To describe the implementation of active learning strategies for subject teachers in schools. To describe what obstacles are experienced by teachers in schools in implementing strategies active learning. To describe the solution used by teachers in schools in implementing strategies active learning. Significance of the study. Approach to education science of the relationship between participants, students, and educators in learning. The approach to education is the study education with standard curriculum development, equality, and fairness, quality standard, and competitive ability. Research limitation. Often the decision maker only wants to know the end result. The results are difficult to publish widely to the public. It is not easy to find and formulate the problem to be studied. Lack of depth of knowledge and skill in the basic techniques of educational research. Lack of ability to ensure that models, methods, the strategy used really works effectively and is capable of bringing about positive change. Chapter 2, Introduction. Education quality and national education standard. Definition. Education in research is the result of academic and non-academic excellence in students who pass a higher level. The level of ability that is able to understand the meaning of concepts, situations, and factors that they know. Theories. Quality is the description and overall characteristic of goods or services that demonstrate their ability to satisfy expected needs. Main factor of education quality improvement. Indicators of education quality standards. Chapter 3. Introduction. Strengthening the curriculum. Strengthening school. Management capacity. Strengthening education personnel resources. Continuous improvement. And management based on facts. Research decide. Understanding the quality of education shows the nature of which describe the degree of goodness of an item or service that is produced by an institution with certain criteria. Quality is the ability of a product or service that can meet needs or expectations, customer satisfaction. In the world of education divided into namely internal consumer and external consumers. Research population. Population is a generation area consisting of objects or subjects that have certain qualities and characteristics determined by the researcher to study and then draw conclusion. Research sample. The sample is part of the number and characteristics possessed by the population. Sample on this study amounted to 60 students who were taken 25% of the total number of student population. Research instrument. Define concept definition. Define operational definition. Lower dimensions. Lower indicator. Data collection procedure. Data operators from discrete to professional education offices. School supervisor as companion for collection education unit data. Data analysis procedure. Data reduction, data presentation, drawing, conclusion, and verification. Okay everyone, maybe this all about research proposal.